Hi everyone, Peter from Chilwell Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making the lollipop stick people to go with your theatre. So you're going to need your paper sheet with all the people on, your lollipop sticks, wool, felt tip pens, glue and some scissors. And remember, scissors are sharp, so be careful. So your first step is to colour in your people. I'm going to colour this one in. So with your hair, you can either draw it on, like I've done with that one, or you can use a bit of your wool and stick the hair on, like that. You can see better. But for this one, I'm just going to draw it on. So after you've coloured them in, you want to cut them out. Try and get as close to the black lines as you can. So after you've cut out your little person, get your black felt tip pen and then just go around the edge again, and it gets rid of all the white fluff. It just makes it look a bit neater. There you go, that's your person all coloured in. So next you just want to get your lollipop stick and also get your theatre that you made last on the other craft video. And you see, when you're going to be using it, your person wants to be here. Let's see if I can lay that out properly. So, the person who wants to be about there. So you want to put your stick on so you can hold it behind. So there's a little bit sticking down, yeah? So just get your glue. Let that dry. And then you've got your person ready to do the show. And now you just need to come up with a show. Well done.